Uh, Next speaker is Dr. Schoenfeld again, the MOSAIC of autoimmunity, the role of infection.
So you have heard wonderful talks about therapy, about clinical presentations, and I would like to come back to the etiology of autoimmune diseases, by and large, but also to autoimmune rheumatic diseases. And we will talk about the infectious role in the induction of autoimmune diseases. And you can see here also the book that we have edited, named or entitled Infection and Autoimmunity. So what is the mosaic of autoimmunity? We have heard a lot about the different autoimmune diseases, SLE as being as the best example, which its etiology is multifactorial. And to summarize the whole story into 4 groups of etiological factors, I will start with genetic. You have to be born to the proper father and mother. The same story like with Rockefeller. How Rockefeller became rich. So the story was that he went to shoe shine at the age of 7. He went to work in the printing house at the age of 10. He distributed newspaper at the age of 12. And at the age of 15, his father died and inherited him all the money. So genetic is the most important thing in this case. And we are not talking only about HLAs, but today we are talking about genes. We thought that when we will decipher the genome, we will find one gene, one disease. But at least, as you have heard, in SLE, we have today almost 20 different genes, again indicating the diversity of the clinical manifestation. The second group of factors which are included in the mosaic of autoimmunity, you need to have some kind of an immune defect. And even among the immune defects, we have a great variety, from the very common IgA deficiency, which is found in 1 out of 400 healthy subjects walking in the streets of Pensacola. But if you look among patients with SLE, you will find that it's 2 to 100. But in each one of the autoimmune disease, you will have a higher prevalence of IgA deficiency. Today, we would like to talk about toll-like receptor defects and T regulatory cells and complement deficiency, complement component, just to remind each one of us that all the cases in the world with C1q deficiency were described as having